In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ElevenLabs for free, step by step, so you can turn text into natural sounding voice audio without getting stuck or confused. Whether you want to create voiceovers for YouTube videos, social media content, presentations, or simple audio clips, this guide will walk you through the entire process in a very easy way. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the ElevenLabs sign-up page. Here, you can create your account using either your Google account or your email address. If you want the fastest option, Google Sign-In is usually the easiest, but email works just as well. Once you've signed in, ElevenLabs will take you to the dashboard. This is where all the main tools are located, and the good news is you can begin using the text-to-speech feature right away. On the dashboard, look for the Create button or the Speech button and click it. This opens the area where you can generate audio from text. Next, make sure you select the Text-to-Speech tab. This is important because ElevenLabs has different options, and the text-to-speech section is the one you need for generating spoken audio from your script. After that, you'll see a library of voices. Take a moment to browse through the pre-made voice options and choose one that fits the style you want. Some voices sound more professional, some sound more casual, and others are better for narration or storytelling. Pick the one that matches your content best. Once you've chosen a voice, go to the text box and paste in your script. This can be a short paragraph, a full voiceover, or any text you want converted into speech. If you're making YouTube content, it helps to write your script clearly and naturally so the final audio sounds smooth and easy to listen to. After your text is ready, click Generate Speech. ElevenLabs will process your input and create the audio for you in just a moment. When the generation is finished, listen to the preview to make sure everything sounds right. If you're happy with it, you can download the file as an MP3 and save it to your device. That's it, you've now used ElevenLabs for free to create your own text-to-speech audio. It's a quick and powerful way to make voice content without needing a microphone or recording setup. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next software guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.